silk bonnet is from Yanni's Best on Amazon. Y'all can find their bonnets in different colors. Y'all can find satin pillowcases in different colors. They sent me this bonnet. Let me tell y'all, I really like it. The band right here, you actually tie it in the front, but it's stretchy enough that it wraps around my little peanut head, and I'm able to tie it at the back instead of having a big bow at the front. I only did that for the video because I didn't want the floppy bow to be in the front. Honestly, it stays on all night. It does not slip off. So if y'all are looking for good satin bonnets that you could tie around and hold tight to, go check out Yanni Best on Amazon. I will have them linked down below. I do get a small kickback from my Amazon storefront, but it doesn't cost you anything extra to click and purchase you a satin bonnet, and they're affordable.